Honda ADV 350 is a premium adventure scooter from Honda, designed to offer a comfortable and convenient riding experience. The scooter comes with a powerful 330 cubic centimeters engine and a range of advanced features, making it suitable for both city commutes and long touring rides. In terms of design, the Honda ADV 350 has a rugged and sporty design inspired by adventure touring motorcycles. The front end is dominated by a tall windscreen that offers excellent wind protection for longer journeys. The scooter also features LED headlights, turn signals, and tail lights, which provide superior visibility and safety. The scooter has a step-through design that makes it easy to mount and dismount, while the seat is spacious and comfortable for both rider and passenger. Moving to the performance, the Honda ADV 350 is powered by a liquid-cooled, 330 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke engine that delivers 27 horsepower and 20.3 foot-pound of torque. The engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, that offers seamless and smooth acceleration. The scooter also features Honda's Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, which helps maintain traction in varying riding conditions. The Honda ADV 350 comes with a range of advanced features that enhance its convenience and safety. The scooter features a fully digital instrument panel that displays a variety of information, including speed, fuel level, and trip meter. The scooter also features a large under-seat storage compartment that can hold a full-face helmet, along with other small items. Additionally, the scooter comes with a smart key system that allows the rider to start the scooter without the need for a key. The Honda ADV 350 comes with a sturdy suspension system that offers a comfortable ride even on rough roads. The front suspension is a telescopic fork while the rear features a twin shock absorber. The scooter is equipped with disc brakes on both front and rear wheels, providing excellent stopping power and safety.